Rub oil into abdomen by moving in circular motion with both hands 3 to 5 times. Knead abdomen alternately with both hands 3 to 5 times. Combine both hands to knead the area around belly button by moving in small circles 16 times. Combine both hands to knead the area around belly button by moving in big circles 16 times. Push alternately from one side of waist to belly button with both hands 3 to 5 times. Same technique on the other side. Push from one side of waist to groin with both hands alternately 3 to 5 times. Same technique on the other side. Push ascending column upwards and transverse column horizontally and descending column downwards with 2 palms alternately 3 to 5 times. Please note, perform the abdomen treatment clockwise along the intestinal tract. High-frequency vibration treatment for fat removal. High-frequency vibration can be produced in this treatment to act on the target area to help remove fat. Choose proper massage head based on individual needs. Recommended speed 1,600 to 3,200 revolutions per minute, adjusted based on individual endurance. Move the massage head slowly around the belly button 5 to 8 times. Move the massage head slowly from one side of waist towards belly button 5 to 8 times. Do 1 repetition of the technique above on the other side. Press button to start treatment. Choose a round sponge massage head and wrap it with disposable film. Recommended speed 1,600 to 3,200 revolutions per minute, adjusted based on individual endurance. Move the massage head slowly around the belly button 5 to 8 times. Move the massage head slowly from one side of waist towards belly button 5 to 8 times. Do 1 repetition of the technique above on the other side. Keep the massage head on the following acupoints: 下脘, 天枢, 大横, 关元 for 3 to 5 minutes each. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose a U-shaped sponge massage head and wrap it with a disposable film. Recommended speed 1,600 to 3,200 revolutions per minute, adjusted based on individual endurance. Keep the massage head on one side of waist for 3 to 5 minutes. Do 1 repetition of the technique above on the other side. Turn off the machine. Remove the disposable film and wipe the target area clean. Please note, do not go for sauna, hot spring, and violent exercise or wash abdomen with too hot water in the week after treatment. Taking a shower in 4 to 6 hours is recommended. Keep body warm and do not drink something cold. Do not get a cold. Drink more hot water to keep hydrated and accelerate metabolism. Once a week, 1 session takes 15 minutes. A course of treatment consists of 10 treatment sessions in applicable range. Women in pregnancy or lactation, those with heart diseases or who are equipped with pacemakers, those whose incisions have not healed yet and who are still on the road to recovery, those with severe diseases such as epilepsy, severe diabetes, hypothyroidism, and malignant tumor, those with skin diseases and infectious diseases.